Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best bike seats for baby that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Topeak Bicycle Baby Seat. The Topeak Baby Seat 2 with MTX 2.0 or 1.0 rack is made for those who want a safer and smoother biking experience with a child. This seat comes with a secure wrap-around design that adds more support while riding. It uses strong materials to give stability and is shaped to protect the child from sudden bumps or uneven paths. The seat is built using molded polymer, which adds strength and keeps the structure light. The rack that holds the seat is crafted from hollow aluminum, offering strong support without adding much weight. The child's seat attaches directly to this rack using a system that does not require tools, allowing quick setup and removal. This setup supports a weight of up to 60 pounds. With its shock-absorbing design, this seat helps reduce the feeling of rough terrain, making bike rides more comfortable for both the adult and child. The footrests are adjustable, helping the seat fit children as they grow. The shoulder harness provides better hold and keeps the child secure while riding. It fits bikes with braze-on mounting and is compatible with MTX trunk bags and rear baskets through the MTX QuickTrack system. This makes it easier to carry more items during long bike trips. The combination of safety, comfort, and practical design makes this child's seat and rack system suitable for daily use or family outings. Topeak designs this seat with care so every ride feels stable, balanced, and more enjoyable for the rider and child. In our list, the number 2 product name is Hamax Caress Rear Child Bike Seat. The Hamax Caress Rear Child Bike Seat with frame mount is made for families looking to enjoy cycling together while keeping young passengers comfortable and safe. This seat fits children from 9 months to about 6 years old, with a weight capacity reaching 48.5 pounds. Built with a shock-absorbing design, it offers stability and a smooth experience on different surfaces. This rear-positioned seat attaches directly to the bicycle frame using a dual-bar steel suspension, supporting frames between 28 and 40 mm. It includes a lockable bracket that helps prevent theft when parked. The structure uses strong and recyclable materials, made to hold up under regular use. Safety certifications from recognized groups add further trust in its construction. Designed with Scandinavian style, it includes flexible options that grow with the child. The backrest adjusts easily with one hand, making it more convenient to use while holding the bike. The footrests offer 10 positions, and the padded shoulder straps are designed to stay in place while the child moves. The seat can tilt from 0 to 20 degrees, allowing for a better position when the child falls asleep during the ride. Its helmet recess makes sure the child's head sits comfortably. With a clean design, soft removable padding, and tool-free setup, this child bike seat offers both safety and comfort. Its combination of thoughtful details, ease of use, and strong build makes the Hamax Caress a helpful choice for parents who enjoy outdoor rides with their little one. In our list, the number 3 product name is Ibert Child Bicycle Safety Seat. The Ibert Child Bicycle Safety Seat is designed to let young passengers enjoy the ride while staying secure and close to the parent. With a front-mounted setup, this seat gives the child a full view of the surroundings and creates a shared biking experience. It fits on most standard bicycle stems and keeps the child positioned between the rider's arms for added closeness and communication during travel. This seat uses a weather-resistant plastic resin built to handle regular outdoor use across different seasons. It includes soft foam padding that is both waterproof and easy to wipe clean after use. The setup comes with a padded handlebar that acts like a steering wheel, giving the child something to hold or rest on during longer rides. The mounting system includes a steel 2-bolt bar that attaches to the stem, offering a stable fit and reducing movement while biking. The harness system uses an adjustable 3-point buckle that holds the child securely in place. This setup keeps the child safe without restricting comfort or freedom to move slightly during the trip. Footrests come with adjustable cups and straps, allowing the seat to support children as they grow. It fits kids aged between 1 and 3 years old, with a weight capacity of up to 38 pounds. The seat installs quickly and can be removed when not needed, giving parents flexibility to switch between solo and shared rides. With its balance of safety, visibility, and comfort, this child's seat brings peace of mind and fun to every journey. In our list, the number 4 product name is a Rider Child Bike Seat. The Rider Child Bike Seat offers a way for young passengers to enjoy rides on most adult bicycles while staying safe and comfortable. Designed for children between 2 and 6 years old, it supports a weight of up to 60 pounds. The seat structure is made from aluminum alloy and stainless steel, making it both strong and light. Its folding design and compact size allow parents to carry it with ease when not attached to the bicycle. This front-mounted seat fits different bike types including mountain, cruiser, folding, and city frames. It uses a clamp hinge that fits seat posts up to 35.5 mm, with a quick-release handle allowing for fast installation and removal. No tools are required, making it suitable for casual rides or short trips, such as school pickups and daily errands. The seating area is designed with breathable material that includes anti-slip texture and a hollow section for ventilation. Its adjustable components help children find a comfortable riding position. The handrail has soft padding and is shaped to protect the child in case of a light collision. This part is also made with flexible alloy material to absorb pressure and resist impact. The Rider seat can be folded flat and placed inside the provided bag for storage or travel. Its design is based on the shape of a running animal, adding a playful look that children may enjoy. With a combination of function, safety, and appearance, it serves as a useful riding solution for active families. In our list, the number 5 product name is Toddler 2 Child Bike Seat. Toddler 2 rear-mounted child bike seat gives young riders a smooth experience while being close to a parent during everyday trips. Designed for families who want comfort and style in their routine rides, this seat offers both function and simplicity. The Alaska color adds a calm tone to the appearance, while the build materials help maintain strength and lightweight handling. Made from aluminum and covered with polyurethane, the structure remains reliable for extended use. The seating area includes a soft gel pad that supports comfort during longer sessions. As your child continues to grow, the footrests and foot straps can be adjusted to match their size, helping them remain steady and secure on every ride. One benefit of this model is its fast connection system. The universal quick-release bracket lets you attach or remove the seat in just a few moments. That allows for easy transitions between different bicycles when needed, making it more flexible for families with multiple bikes. To ensure the child stays at ease on bumpy paths, the built-in dual-beam suspension system helps reduce the effect of rough surfaces. This improves balance while lowering the strain of small impacts. The seat is available in versions for frame, rack, and front setups, depending on your bicycle type. With its focus on comfort, stability, and smart design, the Toddler 2 makes a useful option for daily outings. Its balance of soft support and strong structure gives both parent and child peace of mind during shared trips. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.